Feel like I have bad luck with Target boxes. Ah.
So, once again, this is my second time trying to film this, and I had some really great outtakes already. It's just unfortunate.
Hey guys! So today we are going to be doing our Target Beauty unboxing, and this month's theme is Honest Beauty. Let's get into this. When you open the box, this is what you're going to see. So the whole box this month is Honest Beauty, clean beauty that works. Very cool. Got Jessica Alba as our spokeswoman there. This month also came with a direction sheet, which is kind of cool because they haven't in the past. And this month's paper, I don't know if you can tell, but it is actually a pastel pink. Very cool. Okay, so the first thing that I see in the box is a foil packet. And it is from Honest Beauty. So this is the Honest Beauty Everything Facial Oil. So I'll definitely have to give that a try because facial oils, you know, some of them are pretty dang good. The next thing that's in here is the Honest Beauty Everything Primer Luminous Base. So that's what that looks like. It's a cute little bottle. I like it. Alright, so gonna put that there. And as you can see, it's kind of like a skin tone. And then you just rub it in. It actually feels really nice, kind of lightweight, almost like a moisturizer. No real detectable scent there. And it seems to sink right in. So, I don't know, that could be nice because my hand feels beautiful right now. So smooth. All right. And the next thing that I see is Honest Beauty Younger Face Deep Hydrating Cream. So, let's try this over here. Nice lotion. This one has a bit more of a medicinal scent, but it does seem to rub right in. It has more of a thicker feel to it, and it feels very, very hydrating actually. The longer I rub it in, the more the scent seems to dissipate, so if you don't like those medicinal scents, it does seem to go away with time. Okay, alright, I dig it. The next thing in here is this Refreshing Clean Gel Cleanser, which, you know, is a gel cleanser. Doesn't appear to have any of the really bad ingredients in it, so definitely gonna have to give that a shot. And that's actually a really decent sample size. I mean, this would last a while. So meet our new setting and finishing perfector, Invisible Blurring Powder. Dust on for silky picture perfect finish. All right. Hello, puppy. Hello. Hi. So cute packaging. It's kind of frosted with a silver top. And this is just their invisible blurring powder. Let's see.
Oh, this is already going everywhere. Ah.
So that's what it looks like. And we'll just put this on the primed side. Ooh. All the wrinkles in my hand just vanished. Oh, yes. Smooth and perfected hand. All right. So this will definitely be an interesting one to try out. All right, so that is everything in the box. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. Bye.
What are you doing? What have you got? Oh, your paw. The next thing in here is a... Oh my god. I just tried to make a word way more complicated than it needed to be. Oh god. Okay, having one of those moments where apparently I can't read. So the next thing in here is this refreshing cream... The next thing in here is this refreshing... Stop it! Stop! No, no! Stop sniffing my drawers. I'm sure people can hear you. Oh my goodness. My dog. Alright, and the last thing that I see in the box is this. And this is meet our newest setting and finishing perfector, invisible blurring. Really, blurring. Wow. And I wonder why my daughter can't read. What are you doing? Are you serious? Get down. Get down. She's over here like hugging my chair. What's up? gonna say hi to YouTube? Over here. Look over here. Can you say hi? Your nose is still in the shot. There you go. Fine. Where's the good girl? Okay, get down. Good girl. Alright, so... that is everything in the box. I hope you enjoyed this video. Well, that is everything in the box. I hope you enjoyed this... Stop it! Stop!